Welcome to our video about the top 5 easiest microgreens to grow at home. Microgreens are a healthy addition to any diet and they are easy and fun to grow. In this video, we will explore the easiest microgreens to grow and the benefits of having them in your home. Our number 1 pick for the easiest microgreen to grow at home is peppercress. It is a mild-flavored microgreen that grows quickly and can be harvested within 2 weeks. It is perfect for salads and sandwiches. Radish microgreens are another easy and quick-growing variety. They add a nice crunch to salads and have a slightly spicy taste. They can be harvested within 2 weeks and are great for beginners. Sunflower microgreens have a nutty flavor and are rich in nutrients. They take a bit longer to grow, but the wait is worth it. They can be harvested within 3 weeks and make a great addition to salads and sandwiches. Mustard microgreens have a peppery and tangy taste. They are a bit slower to grow, taking around 3 weeks, but they have a long shelf life and are worth the wait. They are great for sandwiches, salads, and as a garnish. Cilantro microgreens have a fresh and citrusy flavor. They are perfect for adding to Mexican dishes and as a garnish on soups and stews. They take around 3 weeks to grow and are a bit more challenging, but still easy enough for beginners. There you have it, the top 5 easiest microgreens to grow at home. Microgreens are a great way to add nutrients to your diet and they are easy and fun to grow. Try growing some today and see how easy it can be.